Introducing Kapilab, a hair loss concealer created from keratin fibers that will increase your hair's density and volume in just a few seconds. Available in 8 different shades for you to choose the one that best matches your hair color. Applied on areas with thinning hair spots, it instantly increases your volume. Very easy and convenient to use. How does Kapilab work? Apply, fix, and go. Thanks to its electrostatic property, the fibers adhere to your hair, creating a fuller look. Use hairspray to secure the keratin fibers firmly. Natural results with no artificial shades. The quality of the fibers makes it undetectable. Increase your hair density. Resists wind, rain, and sweat. Easily removed with shampoo. A change you can't imagine. 100% natural. 100% Kapilab.